Hi guys, Crystal here, and I'm going to talk to you about the YEL Team Scenario. In this scenario, you'll see that we have two coaches with 5 young emerging leaders. That would be your 10th graders. So you, as your coach, is to facilitate this model. What is this model? What does it do? What is the purpose of it? Okay, so the easiest way for me to describe that to you is to actually give you one of our very first scenarios. So I'm going to teach you so that you can teach your young emerging leaders. Okay, so our scenario, which our very first year, we're going to deal with local issues. That's issues that have to deal with them personally, their home, their school, their local community, that kind of stuff. All right, so our first scenario is they have a friend that's lost everything in a house fire. So this is what our scenario topic is about. And so we have the 5 different roles: the visionary, the observer, the creative, the inspirer, and the analyst. Okay, what do these roles do? Okay, in this scenario, which is our house fire, the visionary, which is the lead position, they're the person that takes the responsibility and assumes all the risk for what is going on. So if this fails, if they don't succeed, then all of it falls on the visionary. So if the visionary doesn't cast good vision, then these people can't succeed. So the visionary in this decides that they need to supply the family with their immediate needs. Okay, so then comes in the analyst. The analyst is the investigator. They gather facts, they gather data, they gather information. So the analyst will then go and say, okay, who is without stuff in the house fire? How many people are in the family? What are their ages? What are their sizes? How many do they need of what? Do they need a hotel? Are they staying in a hotel? Do they have immediate shelter? Do they have food? Do they have money? That's what the analyst will do. So the analyst will gather all the information, all the data, and all the facts. Then we go to the inspirer, which is right here. The inspirer is the coordinator. The inspirer sells the vision. The vision, remember? So the inspirer is selling the vision. So they're wanting everybody to help supply all of the family's needs immediately. So the inspirer calls churches, calls the local Red Crosses, calls the media, starts a social media campaign, inspires people to want to help. That's the inspirer's job. Next we have the creative. The creative is the architect. They're the bridge builder. They're the person that makes all of these other parts connect so that the model works and good. So the architect, the bridge builder, makes signs. They do GoFundMes. They have fundraisers and they do event planning. They make sure that all the pieces of the puzzle fit. The observer. The observer makes sure that all the objectives are met. Are we creating the signs? Are we doing the GoFundMe? Are we making the phone calls? Are we getting the clothes and the food and supplies that the family needs? Are we within the alignment of the vision that's been cast? Are we supplying the family with their immediate needs? That's what the observer does to make sure that all of our objectives are met. They're going to rotate through the model each semester, rotating through a different position. So 1 month they'll be the visionary. Next time they're going to be the creative. So they're going to try out the different roles and they're going to discover what their unique gifting and talents are. It's a journey of self-awareness. It also helps with community involvement. It helps them discover how they can help be part of the change within their community. What they're going to eventually start doing very quickly is picking their own scenarios, and they're actually going to carry out into action. So if there is a legitimate house fire that happens, they're going to know what to do and they're going to be able to have a call to action. And that's our goal.